Okay, my name's Pat, and I'm your instructor for this class. And anyhow, things have changed since I was your age, and I grew up in the factory at an early age and learned how to wire up machines and program them to do things. So we today we work in a cloud environment, which everybody's like working and collaborating on projects anywhere in the world. So we've got a team of people that are all over the world. All you need is a computer and what we're doing is we're building a factory here in the valley, down past Rifle and Parachute, I think. And we're going to need programmers. And what we are looking for is like gamers, people that know how to play video games and the ability to learn. So we're going to teach you how to learn programming robots and all kinds of cool stuff. And I think you'll really enjoy this. It's going to be easy to pass the class. There's little classes that you'll take on your smartphone, little quizzes, take a couple minutes. But we want everybody to pass and just get exposed to all the different types of robots that we'll be using at what we call the copy factory. So the copy factory is in the QR code below. You'll see that. And then you'll also see a QR code for Fusion 360, which is the tool that everybody works together on anywhere in the world. And and then there's a QR code on the curriculum. So that the curriculum's more advanced for like 5 or 10 weeks of training. But we wanted to expose you to manufacturing, and hopefully you'll come and join us. So we look forward to meeting you. Thank you.